Muzzle It, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we unravel the mysteries of the English language together. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, muzzle it. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we dive into the origin, meaning, and use of this unique expression. Muzzle it is a phrase that comes with vivid imagery. A muzzle is a device that is placed over the snout of an animal, often a dog, to prevent it from biting or barking. So, when someone says, muzzle it, they are figuratively suggesting that someone should stop talking or making noise. It's a blunt, somewhat rude way to tell someone to be quiet or to stop spreading information. When it comes to using muzzle it, context is key. This phrase is typically used in informal settings and can come across as harsh or even offensive. It's not a polite request. It's more of a command and is often used in moments of frustration or anger. You might hear it when someone is leaking secrets, spreading rumors, or just talking too much. If you're looking for a more polite way to ask someone to be quiet, there are plenty of alternatives. Please be quiet. Could you lower your voice? Let's discuss this later. Using these phrases can convey the same message without the aggressive tone. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples of how muzzle it can be used in sentences. When Joe started revealing the surprise party plans, I just looked at him and said, muzzle it. We didn't want the guest of honor to find out. The kids were getting rowdy and loud, and I heard the teacher say firmly, muzzle it, and everyone suddenly went silent. So, now you know all about the phrase, muzzle it. It's a colorful expression, but remember, it's best used with caution due to its potential to offend. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase appropriately in your English speaking and writing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and remember, communication is key.